Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. As of today, the Zealot ZE21 is the latest boombox speaker Zealot have to offer. We're going to be comparing that boombox speaker with the JBL boombox 2, which is an old boombox speaker from JBL. Let's see which one of boombox speakers plays better. For the fact that the JBL boombox 2 is an old speaker from JBL, I'm curious to hear the sound difference between both speakers. And for a better sound experience, I recommend you use a headphone or you play from a good speaker so you know which one actually played better. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know your opinion. Let me know which one you think killed it. And don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And if you are new to this channel or the new subscribers, you're welcome. And I advise you stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing my opinion at the end of this video. And if you love the beats that I'll be using in the comparisons in these videos, then you want to check out those beats in this channel. I've actually uploaded some beats so you can go support. If you want to get one for yourself, I hope this video helps you make a better choice. If you're just curious to know which one sounds better, then this is definitely the video for you. Regarding size, the Zealot ZE21 is a little bit bigger compared to the JBL boombox 2, and the JBL boombox 2 is more expensive compared to the Zealot ZE21. But regarding the fact that the JBL boombox 2 is an old speaker, I'm sure it's going to be difficult to get a brand new one, but there are a lot of used ones out there. For purchase link, check out the description below. And one advantage you'll find on the JBL speaker is that the JBL speaker has an app where you can actually customize the sound to your taste. But on the Zealot speaker, you get the EQ button. There's a dedicated EQ button that can be used to switch from one EQ mode to another. You have the normal EQ, the bass EQ, and the vocal boost EQ. Not to make this video very long for the sake of time, I'm not going to jump into details regarding their features, price, and all that stuff. You want to check out the unboxing videos for that. There's a link to the unboxing video in the description below. One thing you might find as an advantage on the Zealot speaker is that it has an impressive light feature. The JBL boombox 3, the only light you see on that speaker is the one you see on the button. And the beautiful thing about the Zealot speaker is that if you're not a fan of the light, you can actually switch it off. The same button used in switching it off is the same button used in changing from one mode to another. And you can also set it in a way that it's going to display according to the rhythm of the song. And another thing you might find as an advantage on the ZE21 is that it has a strap and has a handle, but on the JBL boombox 2 you get just a handle. In this comparison, we're going to be switching from one beat to another, playing on different volumes. So you definitely want to stay to the end because different track is going to bring different results. And I'll be sharing my opinion with you guys at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the sound battle.
What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. Hold my time for your healing. I got to take a back seat. Are you kidding? I got to grab my chance cause it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday. This just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday.
Okay, the ZE21 fills up the whole space. The sound from that speaker is massive. It fills up the whole space, better than the JBL boombox 2. The bass on the JBL boombox 2 is deeper, more calm, more deep, and the sound on the JBL boombox 2 is more clear. In my opinion, the ZE21 has a heavier bass and the sound is more loud. So for that reason, it's definitely the best choice when it comes to party, and including the light feature on that speaker, it makes it the best choice when it comes to party. However, both speakers are great. They are both good investments. Whichever one you want to go for, they are both okay. Regarding battery life, the Zealot ZE21 shines in that category compared to the JBL boombox 2. The instrument separation on both speakers is great, but I find the one on the JBL boombox 2 to be slightly better. But if you're a fan of crazy bass in portable speakers, the ZE21 has the heavier bass here. The JBL boombox 2 hits you harder, goes deeper compared to the ZE21. What I mean is that I found the bass on the ZE21 to be more aggressive compared to the JBL boombox 2. Playing at mid volume, both speakers have a decent calm bass, but at max volume, the Zealot ZE21 has a more aggressive bass compared to the calm deep bass from the JBL boombox 2. And that is definitely expected because the total output power for the Zealot ZE21 is higher than the JBL boombox 2. The Zealot ZE21 is 250 watts and that of the JBL boombox 2 is 160 watts. So that automatically makes the sound from the Zealot ZE21 to be more powerful. So that's it for today's video. Until next time, peace and love.